Okay, number one, we're going to rewrite this so it does not contain radical terms. And then the variable has to be non-negative. If it's negative, it's undefined. Alright, so step one, rewrite all of this into perfect squares. So 4 is already a perfect square. It's 2 squared. But for variables, we just want to split them into 2. So r squared, r squared, r squared, and look, how many do I need? 14 r's. So right now I have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. And then we have this property that says if we're multiplying inside a radical, we can split this up. So I'm going to write out all the work this one time, probably not every time. But I have the square root of 4 times the square root of r squared 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 times the square root of r squared. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. So when I take the square root of this, the square root of 4 is 2. The square root of r squared is r squared, r 7 times. Okay, so now, that was step 2. Step 3 says multiply everything. So r times r times r times r times r is r to the 7th. And then step 4 says to simplify, but for this particular example, there's nothing left to simplify. So our answer is 2r to the 7th.